ఇచ్చాను రా. బ్యాగ్ లో ఉన్న. దానిలో ఉన్న షోక్ కేసులో ఉంది. వైఫై కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోరా? చేసుకుందామా? ఏదో ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయి. అది ఓపెన్ చేయి. నేమ్ వైఫై నేమ్ ఇంకొకటి ఇస్తాం, దానికి చేయి. దీనికి రాదు. క్యూఆర్ స్కాన్ దానిలో ఉంది వైఫైలో ఉంది. క్యూఆర్ స్కాన్ కిందది. పరగొట్టుకుంటాం ఒకసారి. స్కాన్ అడగట్లా. స్కాన్ లేదనుకుంటుంది. గూగుల్ లెన్స్ ఉందా? చూడు, ఉండిద్ది గూగుల్ లెన్స్. మామూలుగా సెర్చ్ గూగుల్ లెన్స్. సెర్చ్ బార్ పక్కన చెప్తాను. సతీష్ 176. ఇప్పుడు బాగా వచ్చింది. క్లాసు అదా 1 గంట అయిపోతుంది. ఆ తర్వాత తింటాను, మళ్ళీ క్లాసు 2 నుంచి 6 వరకు నాకు. ఫోన్ చేయాల్సింది కదా ఆయనకి. ఉం? చేసి ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్కి వెళ్ళాను. వెళ్ళి కనుక్కొని మాట్లాడి అయితే అక్కడ జేఎన్టీయూ దగ్గర జేఎస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ లో జాయిన్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నా. అంటే ఆయన వస్తాడు కదా, ఇంకా నెంబర్ ఇస్తాను, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆయన కలిసి అక్కడ హాస్పిటల్. మామూలుగా హాస్పిటల్ చూసొస్తావు కదా అని నేను వస్తే కలిసి మరైతే ఇంకా చూసుకునేది ఇంకా అది అంటున్నావు కదా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. అదే అక్కడైతే అలా ఉంటుంది, తిన్నావు కదా మొత్తం అన్ని. దాని టైమింగ్స్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్కలా ఉంటాయి రా టైమింగ్స్. ఇక నాకు మార్నింగ్ 6కి ఒక క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది, 7కి, 8:30కి అయిపోద్ది, మళ్ళీ 11కి, 1కి అయిద్ది, మళ్ళీ 2:30కి, 4కి అయిద్ది, మళ్ళీ 4 నుంచి ఇంకో క్లాసు 6కి. అలాగా అదైనా అంతే, అలాగే టైమింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఇంకా మనం మిగిలినవన్నీ మర్చిపోవటం ఇక. అదైనా ఏదైనా సరే అలా అయితేనే ఉండగలం, చేయగలం జాబ్ వచ్చే వరకు.
Recording in progress. I don't want direct execution. I want jar file by execution. Now here I want you create 2 jar files, right? So tell me, business logic and exception. These two are what jar files? These two are API. I have to distribute this API to all the people, and then user is executable jar file. Any of you can help me to how to create API jar file and executable jar file? I have to choose which option now. Open command prompt project. Open command prompt. Now I am here in their project file. In project file folder, I want to create first what API jar file I should create, right? Now tell me how to create API jar file. Jar hyphen CDF for the jar file name. Okay. Bank API. Can I say bank API? Bank-API.jar. Okay. Now, what you want to include? You want to include user package? No, right? So I'll do one thing in bin folder form.nit.hk. User folder I'm deleting. Hyphen bin. What folder I need? Com folder I need to include, right? Any mistake? First hyphens here. Okay. So all dot class files are added now. Jar file is created where in the project folder. Bank-API.jar file created. Now I wanted to compile user program. Now assume that I have shared this API jar file to you. Now you need to develop your ATM machine by bank-API. Okay. Then tell me, where will you keep this bank-API.jar in your project? In the folder. Good. Okay. Then we set the class path to dot semicolon lib. You don't set to bin, you set to lib because you want access from bank hyphen API jar. Then now you compile Java C hyphen D bin src slash form slash nit slash hk slash user slash atm.j. Right? It's compiled successfully. Then with this jar file, you want to create executable jar file, right? In executable jar file, you have to configure meta-inf file, remember? Class hyphen main hyphen class. Main hyphen class colon equal to
అక్కడికి ఎలాగే వెళ్ళాలంటున్నావు ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళను అంటున్నావు కదా
క్లాస్ ఉన్నాను ఇంకా మా అమ్మ వచ్చినప్పుడు సిగరెట్ ఎవరు తాగుతున్నారని అడగాలి.
ఎవరు?
నువ్వే తాగి
దానికి తెలుసుగా.
నువ్వే తాగేదా మా అమ్మ. మైక్లోనే తగ్గుతున్నారు. మ్యూట్లన్నా పెట్టుకోమని అన్నా.
వాడితో పనులు పిచ్చిలో ఇంజోడు.
main hyphen class com.nit.hk. ATM machine. And next class hyphen path colon lib slash bank hyphen API.jar. Empty line compulsory. Save with what name? Any name you can choose. Okay, there is no rule that it must be For the file name, manifest dot mf. File name no need to be this file name. You can choose any file name, no problem. Now tell me. Now how to create now executable jar file? Jar hyphen cvf bank dot atm dot java atm dot jar following by. Now I should include meta hyphen inf file hyphen m hyphen c v com, right? Correct the command. First I should specify manifest file. What is the command, man? All people also forgot that.
లాక్ తెలిసిపోయింది. లాక్ తెలిసిపోయింది.
వచ్చేసిందా?
చెప్పాలి కనిపెట్టి కనిపెట్టరా నీ గుద్దలో ఓపికరా.
ఏం చెప్పు.
కనిపెట్టినా
చెప్పురా.
Command is correct, but I think file name is wrong. Let me see with what file name. Hyphen E for adding main class. Actually, I should write M here. Should not write here. That is a mistake. Hyphen CVF M. Okay, now guys. That's what daily practice is important. If you don't practice, you will forget everything.
దాని నుంచి కష్టం.
Don't understand. Did you complete packages chapter? I'm not here teaching anything.
నువ్వు ఆ నెంబర్లో ఒకటి పెట్టి లైన్గా
ATM.jar file created.
జీవితం అయిపోద్దిరా.
Then
ఓపెన్ చేసి సంవత్సరం పట్టి
here manifest-mf manifest.mf file open and see main class added, class path is also added.
0 నుంచి 10
Okay.
దాకా ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్? 4 నెంబర్స్.
Okay. Now what next I have to do? I should run this. Go to command prompt, click exit. Open new command prompt. Do I need to set any class path now? Jar. Okay, Java
10,000
-jar ATM dot. Couldn't find our low. com.nit.hk.atm issue. User missing. Okay. Now let us try to click one CVM ATM.jar space manifest the
ఆలోచించరా,
-c
హిందీ
bin
ఉండదు కాదు.
com.
ఆలోచించు. పాస్వర్డ్
Any of you in the class who practice this one in your system? Is this all these topics are in packages chapter?
మనోడు ఏం పెడతాదే కదా.
Yes or no? If you don't understand, is it my mistake or your mistake? Yesterday also I told you, right?
alphabetic order lo cheppanu.
Working with the jar file, verify, practice and come to the class. Jar hyphen Java hyphen jar. What is right now? ATM. Now look at that. The class is running from ATM jar file. Now insert card com.nit.hk.blogic. What I should pass? HDFC bank card. Tell me. Now this class is now loading into JVM and executing from ATM.jar file from the mentioned class path, right? From the mentioned class path. What the class path we mentioned here? Lib folder. In current directory, we have lib folder. Yes. In lib folder, we have jar file. Yes. API-jar. In the jar file, we have com, NIT, ATM, HDFC bank card. This will be accessed from here. Understand the flow? Choose one option. Then with it, deposit. Okay, some number. Balance. Okay, na? Right. Now, option number 5, exit. Insert card, exit. Okay, now tell me. Now this project, what I should give to the customer now project, this testing is completed. Then you have to make these two files. Okay, make these two files. Pawan, I will remove you from the class of Pawan. You just join tomorrow. Okay, na? Yeah, let me remove. So I told you clearly, it is related to what? Jar file. Just now I am just applying the jar file concept here. I am not teaching anything I told. Okay, you are not listening. You are in a bad mood that I am going fast. So I am removing you. Go and join. Go and learn packages chapter working with jar file concept. Okay, na? Now look at here. Right click. What should I do now? I want to share my project to the customer. Then what should I do? I should create a folder with the project name. Remember what the project name I want to take? EH exception handling, bank project. Or simply you can take what? Bank project. Okay. Now this lib and jar file, both I must copy inside. You remember it? Right. Then right click. I have to create it as a jar file. Right. Add it to bank. Add to archive. You must give it as what? Zip file. Okay. Now this zip file I should give to customer. Right. Assume that customer has downloaded this project into his folder, into his system. I am taking, okay, he downloaded, okay, and assume that he downloaded that file somewhere into read write. Then now extract, right? Zip file is extracted. All these steps I have shown clearly in that video. People who are not watched, watch it. Extract to bank project. Bank project is extracted. Then listen carefully. If you open this bank project, okay, let me try to do some other way. Now right click, extract here. Okay, bank project extracted. Once you open this, inside what is there? ATM.jar and lib folder is there. If you double click it, this ATM.jar, what happens? File is open. Are you following? You don't know how to run the jar file. Then what should I do? You remember? What should I do? I have to ask him to run jar command, right? Can customer run jar command by himself? No. If he is that much talented, then he will not come to your company, right? What I told you? Any of you remember? You must create one new file, nothing but batch file. With what command? Java -jar. What the file name? ATM.jar. That's it. Save. Wherein your project directory, right? Here I'm saving with what name? ATM.batch. ATM.batch. Now I have to copy all these three files. Am I right? Paste here. Replace in the destination. Now I have to create, right click, add it to archive, zip file. Okay. Understand? Now I have to give this project to the customer. Then customer downloaded from the server, extract the zip file here. Okay. Then what he will do? He will open. He will simply double click on this. Look at that project execution started. So tell me, is this project is clear now? Right. This is how you have to work out. So hope you will work out on this. See, every point according to company I taught you. So practicing or not practicing in your hand. It's not my headache. So you have to do that. If you are not doing, obviously you will face problem and later you will blame me. That's not good. You don't have the time to practice. So much busy people you are. What can I do? Tell me, brothers. Here, YouTube videos.txt file open. Please now look at here. Expecting everyone. Hope from the start, from the first video, skills required to become Java full stack developer. From there, course completion roadmap. So, can I expect all the people are completed packages working with Java data types? Okay, reading runtime values, object-oriented programming basics, modifiers, variables types of variables, methods types of methods, project. I have explained these videos and projects I ask you to watch. Static block, main method, system.out.println. Have you completed these 4 videos? Next, null pointer exception, this keyword, operators. Have you completed operator videos? Next, object-oriented programming summary, upcasting, downcasting, I covered. Okay, variable hiding, method hiding, method overriding, method overloading, constructor overloading, final keyword. Have you completed final keyword, final variable videos? If you don't complete these two, no problem. But if you don't complete these videos, written test exams you will miss. Have you watched interface videos? Types of inheritances completed. So many interesting points are there in types of inheritances. Did you complete them? Inner classes completed. If not completed, please let me know. I'm assuming that you completed a movie. Java 8 features. Java 8 features, whatever videos I have mentioned here, have you completed? Why Java 8 not completed? When you will do this? I'm going to use Java 8 videos in the next coming classes. I told you by last Sunday only how to complete now. Okay. Now, up to here, I am expecting no video pending from your side. Up to wrapper classes, no video pending your side. That's what my expectation.
డబ్బు కోసమే అంటున్నా.
Okay. Tomorrow I may not take class.
అర్థం కాదు మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
Okay. Tomorrow I may not take class.
చదువుకోండి, ఏం చెప్తావు వచ్చి ఏం చెప్తావు చదువుకోకుండా.
So tomorrow multi-threading chapter. Okay.
కేసు పెట్టి నా మీద కేసు పెట్టి అప్పుడు చేయి. మరెందుకు ఎంత టార్చర్ పడుతున్నావు మరి? ఇప్పుడు చేసేది ఏంటిది?
No. Tomorrow, I mean Thursday onwards regularly. Thursday onwards regularly.
లైన్లో ఉన్నారు సార్. ఎక్కడ ట్రిప్కా గ్రౌండ్కా వెళ్ళొస్తే పోద్దు అన్న. వస్తా ఉండు. ఓకే బాయ్.
Yeah. Thursday onwards offline students come to offline. Thursday onwards I'll come to offline. Still any questions? Is it clear to all?
చెప్పండి. ఆశ్చర్యం లేదా? నేనే మంచిగా సరేనా?
Thank you. See you all Thursday in offline.